man, me left, so me I go to Mobile. I'm walking to Queen, me and Gail. And we go through Clark's Road, through Chilla and Bush.
Pay truck.
And this is the truck you go through the bush, loaded son. I say, can man just drive truck for fun? Just load you and drive the road.
Nah, I get that. I get about 40,000 up there.
40.
More than that.
More than that, tools. 100,
The three wheel, you drop up to help you still, eh?
That the driver think there.
Driver now get so much on me, mad. Just,
About 20.
No,
what's
no,
that?
10.
Let's learn that. Driver get over 5 grand.
Nah, say your man forgot my beer. That forgot my beer.
Yeah.
Some of them things you have out man.
What's a daily basic so if you get 10 grand? You mad? Most you can get 6 grand will be a 6 grand.
Nah,
I tell you that.
nah, sir.
You take your white ticket.
You want to say Nick drive this truck here? You run in?
Link.
Yeah.
Nick can't run in.
Charge
shit.
a rough man. I talk about.
Mm.
Yeah, get them a talk of money, man. 10,000, 15,000 gram.
And with this a cat is still in you want some like Cummins, sure?
But the cat in there, you know, tell me.
And you have a street pipe. The sweet in there that sound like slippers.
Sweet. And a piece of Canada, you fling around.
You know, own around that space.